Journey. There's still a lot of insurance and broking firms that have got very, very poor technology. I think Insurtech is starting to open up that agenda, but the journey is on its first few steps. It's a long way from completion. I think Xceedance's role has been really important in that process, because rather than doing a simple BPO, it's a BPO followed by process improvement, innovation, automation. So we are taking our clients on that journey with us. And I think that's what clients are increasingly beginning to value now, about being taken on a journey so they can provide better service to their clients. In the back office, where big brokers, big insurance receive thousands of transactional payments into their accounts, and using robotic automation to match up what can be a one-to-one matchup or a many-to-one matchup is really important, because cash is king, and the sooner you can identify cash and allocate it to premiums and policies and pay it over to the insurer, the better your standing is in the market. The other one is claims management, which is always a problem area. So where robotic or OCR has been used to read claims that have been sent in by email, allocate them, particularly over the weekend, so the broker or the underwriter sees the claim first thing Monday morning. It gives the client a feeling that their claim is being managed from day one, as opposed to waiting 3 or 4 weeks for a reply in the post. Where I think that sometimes you have to go for the simple, easy targets, and cash allocation is such an obvious, easy target. What insurance companies don't want to do is to bet the bank on their most critical core underwriting application. But claims management and claims processing, that's a fairly core part of their business. But wherever it's high volume, for example on travel or personal accident, they don't manage that process well. So having help, if that's the right phrase, through a partner, through technology, to actually just keep a lid on, or to keep a monitor, track on claims, I think is really important. The world is changing a lot faster now than organisations can change. So most organisations, not just insurance, are playing catch up. They're actually trying to fill a gap, or they're falling behind their competitors. A lot of the clients that Xceedance deal with are risk averse. I mean, that's essentially what an insurance company is. It's risk averse. I also thought that the investors in insurance companies are risk averse. So if you want to take risk, you'd invest in Google or Uber. What people invest in insurance companies for is a guaranteed return year after year after year. So when you have a risk-averse organisation, they tend never to go first. They'll want to see process automation and AI working effectively somewhere else. So the more that Xceedance can bring case studies to clients and say, yes, it does work and you can see the benefits, the more that will help them to make that first step. And I think the difficult part is that first step. Once they make that first step, then the second step tends to be a little bit quicker and a little bit more ambitious. Xceedance can tend to respond very quickly to the initial inquiry, and even faster then to implementing a solution. And I think in a time of high change and high uncertainty, rapid implementation is now becoming a very highly valued skill. But that's just stage one. Stage two is having implemented a new client or transitioned a new client, helping that client move forward, helping it provide better services to clients, reducing its losses, being more compliant from a regulatory standpoint of view. Then clients are probably more interested in buying the latter going forward than they are buying a standalone, straightforward BPO type of operation.